my name is Tolai, and yeah. Hey people, my name is Tolai, and as you can see, my hair has been done by Crown Your Mane. So not being interrupting me. I'm just you want me to say you can't breathe that loud.
Oh, okay.
Hey everybody, my name is Tolai, and my hair has been evidently done by Crown Your Mane. We use these, do we say ingredients or products? That's the word. Yeah. Eco hair gel. This hair gel was used for my anti-Jackie hair moisturizer. It's used to help, keep the hair moist and everything. Gorilla hair gel. This was used for my ages. Hair gel. This hair gel was used for my puff. Keisha, my favorite part. This is hairspray, which helps obviously with moisturizing. Alright.
This is a really good hairstyle for people with thin hair. As you can see, my girl Tolai doesn't have the thickest hair, so if you'd like to give yourself a different look, make yourself feel like you have thick hair on any particular day, this could be a go-to hairstyle. So I began by spritzing some water with the spray bottle, and then I went in with and Jackie's Not on My Watch to just add a little moisture to her hair. And now I'm just brushing around her hair, around her edges, from the back and the front, just to help the hair get with the program. Now I am going in with Ecostyle. It's always the first gel that I start with because it helps to set base. It doesn't really slick hair, in my opinion. It never slicks my hair on its own, but it helps me get things going. Then I go in with a brush. So now I go in with the Hicks Transforming Edge Control Edge Gel, something like that. I'll put the name in the description box, and this really helps to slick the hair. As you can see, it's like slicking, and you always like a good slick in your puff. So this one really helps. So now I brush it in. I really like how this Hicks gel works. And then we put on the band, then we slide it up. So now we use the Gorilla Snot. I was using it for the first time today. And yeah, then we just slick the edges. Yep, quick swooping. Still mastering the swooping. Yeah, and then just slick those edges. Once you're done, put the headscarf on so that the edges can marinate and just flourish. So now I made a line in the middle, and then I divide the puff into little portions and use the tiny rubber bands to just tie the ends of the puff only, as you can see. So I did 4 of them, divided it into 4, and voila, done. So I go with the bobby pin, and I pin the tip of the puff down. As you can see from this part, only the end of the puff, you pin it into the center of the puff. I've got a cold, guys, I'm really sorry. Yes, you do the same with the 3rd and with the 4th, like that. And then you have little hairs that stick out from the sides. As you can see, you have those tiny little hairs that were sticking out. So you get your bobby pin and you pin in those sides. Not too tight because the puff still has to be a little fluffed up. Yes. Yep, pin those little strays in. Now, if you really pay attention, you can tell that the band had really slid and it was almost coming off the puff, so it made the puff look really tiny. So because the hair is not thick, we had to redo it, and Yeah, so luckily the gel was still fine, so I took off the satin bonnet, slid it up to there, and then you use bobby pins to secure the band so that it doesn't slide any further than you want it to slide up. Yes, should have known better. Then now we rescarf and then took it out after about 30 minutes and put the bowl in to accessorize.
So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please share, follow, subscribe on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.